This is how to play Themba, lendawo, yonke by 1 small 6. The original key of the song is the key of G sharp, which is this key right here. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm not going to overcomplicate it. I'm going to show you guys the simple version. I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys on the key of G sharp, just a little bit so that you can remember it. And then we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp after that. So on the key of G sharp, it says, Emhlabeni wonke nasemazulwini kubusa intando yakho Themba lendawo yonke. Okay, I believe you guys can remember it. I'm not going to show you guys how to play the introduction. I'm gonna jump straight to the first part. Okay, let's break it down on the key of C sharp. So on C sharp, it starts right on this chord here. It starts right here. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major, first inversion. Right? From 1, it goes to 4. From 4, it goes back to 1. From 1, it goes to 6. I believe everyone can see these chords. From 6, it goes to 5. Alright? I said it's 1, 4, 1, 6, 5. Okay? So let's introduce the bass on our first part. When you hit your first chord on the right, on the left you're going to play 1. When you go to 4, on the left you also go to 4. When you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you're going to play 3. When you go to 6, on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 5, on the left you also go to 5. This is what it says. Emhlabeni wonke nasemazulwini. That's our first part. And then our second part says kubusa intando. It also starts right on this chord. On 1, kubusa intando. From 1 it goes to 4. Yakho. From 4 it goes back to 1. Themba lendawo. And then it comes here. This is our number 1, also known as C sharp major, second inversion. It comes here. From here we go to 5. Yonke 1. Right? That's our second part. So let's introduce the bass on our second part. When you hit your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. When you go to 4, on the left you also go to 4. When you go back to 1, on the right, on the left you're going to play 5. And then you stay there until you play 1, 5, and then you go to 1. Alright, let's combine our first part and our second part. It says Emhlabeni wonke nasemazulwini. Second part. Kubusa intando yakho Themba lendawo yonke. Simple, right? Let's go to our third part. Our third part starts right on this chord as well, on our number 1. Sithembe wena. From 1 it goes to 6. Sithembe wena. Back to 1. Themba lendawo yonke 5. And then you repeat the same thing again. 1. Sithembe wena. 6. Sithembe wena. 1 balenda 1 5 1. Okay, so let's go. Let's introduce our bass on the third part. When you hit your number 1 on the right, on the left you go to 3. Sithembe wena, and then from here you go to 6. Sithembe wena, back to 3. Themba lendawo yonke, 5. Sithembe wena, 3. Sithembe wena, 6. Sithembe wena. When you go back to 1, on the left you go to 5. Themba, you stay there until you play Themba lendawo yonke. Alright? From here it goes to Sithembe wena, Sithembe wena, uyisiphepelo se. Right? That's our fourth part. So let's break it down. It starts right on this chord. Right? C sharp major, second inversion. From here, it goes to 2. D sharp minor. Right? From here, from 2, it goes back to 1. From 1, it goes to 5. And then you just play your first part. Sizobalekela kuwe. You just play your first part. Okay? So let me show you how to play the bass on the fourth part. When you hit C sharp major second inversion on the right, on the left you're gonna play 1. You stay on number 1 until you play 2, and then you go to 7. Right? It's Sithembe wena. Go back to 1. Uyisiphepelo, 5. Say 2, and then you play your first part. Sizobalekela kuwe. You go to 5. Themba lendawo yonke. Right? It's not that difficult. So let's start from the beginning. Emhlabeni wonke nasemazulwini. Second part. Ubusa intando yakho, Themba lendawo yonke. Third part. Sithembe wena, Sithembe wena, Themba lendawo yonke. Again. Sithembe wena, Sithembe wena, Themba lendawo yonke. Our fourth part. Sithembe wena, Sithembe wena, uyisiphepelo sethu. Sizobalekela kuwe. Themba lendawo yonke. Okay, I believe you guys saw it. Remember, that's the simple version. Okay, if you learned something from this video, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Until we meet again, God bless you.